So computing devices have a profound impact on human workforce. Automation has cut off, displaced quite a number of human labor. And in recent times, we saw fintech, financial technology, being utilized to automate the work done by a teller. In the past, we used to go to a bank, a branch, and have the teller, person transfer money for us, or we want to withdraw money, we want to transfer, get some cash out. It's all done via a person. But with fintech, you can now go online, log into the portal, the banking portal, and then get all your tasks done via that portal. Okay, an example is Do It Now. Okay, I quote the example of Do It Now from Public Bank, where after knowing say I want to transfer my account money to another friend, I know his number, I can transfer to that specific phone number, because that phone number is automatically hooked up with an account on his side. So that can be done using Do It Now. Transfer not by identifying the account and the bank, but by identifying the person's phone number. Okay. Also in Singapore, you see, in Singapore there is this policy of charging higher or across any gantry when it is the peak hour on the day. Okay, they want to discourage people from going into the city center when it is peak hour. Okay, so try to alleviate the traffic in the city center. So all this collection of tolls, they were automated. It's not done by passing your cash to one person and then that person collects it, give you a ticket to cross over the toll, but it's all automated using a gantry. How does it work? So on your car, you need to put a device to talk to the gantry, and that device is hooked up to your account, so that whenever you pass through, you will check whether that specific account, that special account, has still got any deposits within. If there are no deposits within, then something will happen. Maybe you will get a fine or whatever, but it is automated. Okay, it is hooked up to your account automatically. And Malaysia has started to catch up. They have tried to use RFID, but this RFID is hooked to your e-wallet. Okay, so this touch and go e-wallet is hooked up with your RFID, so that whenever you go through that special lane on the toll station, you don't need to interface with the person. When you pass through, the device that is attached on the toll station will automatically talk and deduct money from your account. Talk to the device and deduct money from your account. Okay. Another example would be an e-wallet from Petronas called Settle. Okay. So Settle works like this. You have to have a Settle application downloaded onto your handphone first of all. So that Settle application it behaves like a prepaid account. Imagine your phone, okay, your U-Mobile phone or your Digi phone. At the end of each month, if you want to continue on using, you have to prepay a certain amount. You pay up and then you charge it. You key that number into your handphone so that you continue on the service. So this one works as similarly. Settle will require you to have some deposit inside its account, and then whenever you wanted to refuel, you will head on to the petrol station, and instead of going to the person at the petrol station, you will just use your device, okay, and then key in the petrol station that you're at and the the number of the petrol pump, and automatically it will allow you to, pump in as much as you key in. You say, okay, I want settle, you key in 30 ringgits, it will allow you to pump in 30 ringgits of petrol. Another example here is the AI interviewer. So AI interviewer, it allows the interviewee to get the interview done at any point during the day. Of course, there's a deadline, but you can do it at night at your own convenience after your work. It doesn't matter. So what happens is there's a recording device that you need to have, like the camera. You record your gestures, your facial impression, your voice, even you analyze. Okay. So all these computing devices at a server level, they will do analysis on the performance of the interviewee, and of course you will generate a report and email it to the employer. Maybe this is a potential hire. They'll rate you, and the employer will get the final decision of employing or not at the end of the day. Okay. Or an example of chatbots. Okay, customer service. Instead of having a person at the back, nowadays you have chatbots. Based on specific keywords that you put in, they will be able to provide you with answers. And if, of course, usually in a chat, if you don't get the right answer, you will continue on asking, right? So the machine at the back is able to discern which answer to vomit out to you, all right, based on the keywords. So it's quite intelligent. So next, okay, account systems. Instead of you recording all the sales, it is now entered into the computer system via a barcode scanner. Okay, that can also help to automate a lot of tasks. Okay, so that caused the need of human labor to move up the value chain. You cannot just stay forever as a very very simple rote work. You have to add some value onto your work, okay, to move it up the value chain now, basically.